As the title says, this is a 2004 Range Rover HSE. So it has the 4.4 liter V8, 282 horsepower, 325 foot-pounds of torque. It has a 5-speed automatic transmission, and of course 4-wheel drive. It has front Euro spec corner lights. Also has rear Euro spec brake lights. Plenty of cargo space in the rear, and the spare tire jack is underneath. It has updated 20-inch alloy wheels. The tires will probably need to be replaced soon. So new, the MSRP on this vehicle is $72,000. It has the silver exterior with the cream interior. Interior super clean. A little bit of wear showing on the front passenger and driver seats. So it weighs 5,400 pounds and has a tow capacity of 7,700 pounds. MPG is estimated 12 city, 16 highway. It has all of the original manuals and all of the paperwork still in the glove compartment. Also has the CD disc changer in the glove compartment. Has the Harman Kardon speaker system. And it has an aftermarket touchscreen Bluetooth nav system. Only a minor bit of wear, a couple scratches on the exterior. There's some rock chips on the front bumper, and then some scratches on the corner of the rear bumper. A couple of the wheels have some light scratches on it. Overall in excellent condition.